If you're coming to Hearing First Colindale for your Microsuction earwax removal appointment, getting to us is simple, and in this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to find us. We're located at 1A Hall Lane, inside the Laboratory Spa in Mill Hill, a calm and beautifully designed health and wellness setting where you'll receive expert ear care from fully qualified audiologists. For a full map, directions, and the booking link, make sure to check the description below. Finding the clinic is straightforward. If you're traveling by train or tube, the closest station is Mill Hill Broadway, served by Thameslink. From the station, it's just a short bus ride, or about a 15 to 20-minute walk. You can also get here easily via Mill Hill East Station on the Northern Line. From there, several buses connect directly towards Mill Hill Broadway and Hall Lane. Both stations offer quick links from central London, Edgware, Hendon, and surrounding areas. If you're taking the bus, you're well covered. The nearest stops include Bunns Lane and Mill Hill Broadway Station, both just minutes away from the Laboratory Spa. Routes such as the 221, 240, and 251 run frequently through Mill Hill, connecting you from places like Edgware, Woodside Park, Burnt Oak, and Hendon. Once you get off the bus, simply walk up Hall Lane and look for the entrance to the Laboratory Spa. Our clinic is located right inside. Traveling by car is also very convenient. Hall Lane links directly to main roads such as Bunns Lane, the A5109, and the A1, making the clinic easy to reach from Totteridge, Finchley, Edgware, Barnet, and beyond. Parking options are available nearby, and the Laboratory Spa is clearly signposted, so you'll have no trouble finding your way in. Once you arrive, you'll immediately notice the warm and welcoming environment. At Hearing First Mill Hill, only qualified audiologists perform earwax removal, giving you the safest and most professional microsuction service in the area. If you need step-by-step directions or want to secure your appointment now, everything you need, including our booking link, is right there in the description below. Scroll down to the description to book your visit, get full directions, and learn more about why Hearing First Mill Hill is the trusted choice for safe and gentle microsuction earwax removal.